your trusted roofing contractor in Holladay, Utah, residential and commercial experts. Welcome to EagleRidge, Holladay's leading roofing contractor, proudly serving zip codes 84117 and 84124 with unmatched residential and commercial roofing services. Whether you need a brand new roof installation, expert repairs, or routine maintenance, our experienced team has you covered. With decades of expertise, top-tier materials, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we are the go-to choice for all your roofing needs in Holladay and beyond. Don't wait. Call us today at 801-784-1457 to schedule your free roofing inspection, or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to learn more about our services. At EagleRidge, we specialize in providing comprehensive roofing solutions for both residential and commercial properties in Holladay, Utah. Here's what we offer. New roof installations for 84117 and 84124. Roof repair and maintenance to extend roof life. Complete roof replacements for damaged or aging roofs. Detailed roof inspections to identify issues early. Storm damage assessments and expert repairs. Gutter installation and repair services. Ice and water shield installations for enhanced durability. Soffits and fascia installation and repair. Shake shingle sealing and treatment. Installation and maintenance of all shingle types. Siding installation and repair for added curb appeal. Ventilation solutions, including attic and roof ventilation. Swamp cooler installations and removal. Sealing and caulking to improve energy efficiency and weatherproofing. Commercial roof installation and replacement in Holladay. EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan for preventative maintenance. Flat roof repair and installation. Metal roofing systems for industrial-grade durability. TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems. Roof coatings to extend the lifespan of your roof. Soffits and fascia services tailored for commercial buildings. Siding installation and maintenance for commercial properties. Ventilation solutions for energy-efficient commercial spaces. Swamp cooler installations and removal at commercial sites. Commercial-grade sealing and caulking to weatherproof your building. EagleRidge isn't just a roofing contractor, we're your partners in protecting your property. Here's what sets us apart. Decades of roofing expertise across residential and commercial projects. A commitment to using premium materials and industry best practices. Transparent pricing and timely project completion. A proven track record of customer satisfaction, as highlighted by glowing testimonials. John S., a satisfied customer, said it best. EagleRidge's professionals addressed all our roofing needs efficiently and with exceptional quality. Our services extend beyond Holladay to neighboring areas, including Salt Lake City, Murray, Mill Creek, Cottonwood Heights, and Sandy. We're dedicated to delivering reliable roofing solutions to homes and businesses across the Salt Lake Valley. When it comes to roofing, don't settle for anything less than the best. Trust EagleRidge to deliver high-quality, reliable roofing services tailored to your needs. Call us today at 801-784-1457 for your free roofing inspection, or visit us online at eagleridgepros.com to learn more. EagleRidge, Utah's premier roofing and construction experts.